If you want to be happy, you need to keep these 4 recipes in balance. First, make your work passionate. You spend 8 to 10 hours each day at your workplace. If you can't find your work passionate, then you will feel stressed out. And if your work make you stressed out, I think you need to seek something else, my friend. Number 2, make your family happy. Many people say that they work for their family. Unfortunately, they didn't have time for their family. It's just ridiculous. If you want to be happy, make sure that your family happy. Have time for them. Just be nice with your family. Be nice to your parents. Be nice to your wife. Be nice to your kids. Make your home secure. And it will make your your emotional balance. Number 3, make friends. Socialize. If you make friends, it will release your stress. If you socialize, have a community, it will make you much wiser in this life. And number 4, have a me time. Everyone need to have a me time. Get a hobby. Do what you like. Make pray to your God. Contemplating yourself. And it will keep yourself sane. And if you fulfill these 4 recipes, then you can take all your potential into your life, into your work, into your career, and it will make your life happy. Stay productive and be humble.